Hello student, I am Vaishali Ganesh Akhade from Balaji High School, Hingna Road, Nagpur. This is our activity number 10 for class 9, subject science. Activity 10, it is based on living world and classification of microbes. Let's understand what is classification of living organisms and their characteristics. This is the classification of living organisms. Living organisms are classified into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are unicellular, and all the living organisms which are unicellular and having prokaryote cell is placed in kingdom Monera, which is first kingdom. Eukaryotes are further classified into unicellular and multicellular. The unicellular living organism is placed in kingdom Protista, while multicellular living organisms are further classified into three subgroups. Kingdom 3, which is fungi, kingdom 4, plantae, and kingdom 5, which is animalia. Let's understand the characteristics of first kingdom, which is kingdom Monera. All the living organisms are unicellular. They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. These are prokaryotic cells without distinct nucleus or cells organelles. For example, all types of bacteria and blue-green algae. Let's understand the characteristics of second kingdom, kingdom Protista. And the characteristics are: Protista is single-celled organisms with well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. Second, they have pseudopods or hair-like cilia or whip-like flagella for the process of locomotion. These living organisms are autotrophous. For example, Euglena, volvox contains chloroplast, while some are heterotrophs. For example, amoeba and paramecium. Kingdom 3. Characteristics of fungi are: these are non-green, eukaryotic, heterotrophic organisms. Most of them are saprotrophs. They feed on decaying organic matter. Their cell wall is made up of tough and complex sugar called chitin. Some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. For example, baker's yeast, aspergillus, penicillium, mushroom, etc. Let's practice. Question number 1 is: write the characteristics of the animals in the kingdom fungi. And the answer is: these are non-green eukaryotic heterotrophic organisms. Most of them are saprotrophs. They feed on decaying organic matter. Their cell wall is made up of tough and complex sugar called chitin. Some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. For example, baker's yeast, aspergillus, penicillium, mushroom. Question number 2 is: which living organisms are included in the kingdom Monera? And the answer is: all types of bacteria and blue-green algae are included in the kingdom Monera. Question number 3. Match the pairs. Here two groups are given, column A and column B, in which Protista without distinct nucleus, Monera, saprotrophs, fungi, or well-defined nucleus. These are two columns. Let's match the pair. Protista have well-defined nucleus. Monera without distinct nucleus, while fungi are saprotrophs. Question number 4 is: State whether the following statements are true or false. And the first statement is organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. And the answer is true. Second statement is all the organisms in kingdom Monera are multicellular. And the answer is false because in Monera all the living organisms are unicellular. Question number 5. Write the name of the organisms given below. Here we can see the picture of Salmonella typhi and the second organism is Volvox. Thank you student for watching this video. If you like it, share with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you.